Hey YouTube, happy Friday. Today's sneaker unboxing will be the New Balance 990 V3s in the Seesaw colorway from the Teddy Santis Made in USA collection. This sneaker was a part of a 3-pack dubbed the Seesaw Pack that consisted of the 990 V1s, the V2s, and the V3s, all in this white and cream colorway. I was lucky enough to get the V3s, and I gotta say, man, these things are beautiful. Although simple, they can still add something to your outfit. The uppers consisted of a white leather and mesh with cream hues, which is normally different from the nubuck mesh or the suede mesh that we get on other models. This sneaker will definitely be going into my everyday rotation because of its simplicity, but also the cream colors kind of give it that vintage feel that's kind of in right now. Overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I look to pick up some more models from the collection, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Not much to say because it's just a plain white New Balance, but to me it's a pretty good everyday sneaker, and I love what Teddy Santis has been doing with New Balance. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all like the V1s, the V2s, or the V3s. Peace.